Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SLP. In my previous videos of SLP, I was showing you that it formed another down channel on a daily time frame chart. That was a quite long down channel, and this was one of those videos when it was moving inside that channel. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, this is the daily time frame, and you can see that it is still moving inside this channel. And after this rejection, it was dropped down here and tested the support of the channel, and now it is again bounced very well, and right now it is trying to break out this resistance of 0.00185. In fact, this is a complete resistance zone that starts from $0.0021 and goes to $0.00185. That was previously working as support zone, and now after the breakdown it is flipped into a resistance zone. You can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is getting rejected by this resistance line. And the significance of this resistance line is very, very high. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance line has been also working as a recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. Therefore, in order to start a massive move from here, we will need to break out. And it was also working as a support of this big and massive descending triangle as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Kawa, you just need to click on the link and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 9th of Feb 2025. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of SLP. And here, first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame, and you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this channel since after the first week of December 2024. You can see that we got few rejections here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, then we got another rejection here, bounce, and after this bounce, now the price line has once again reached very close to the resistance of the channel. Right now, we are also trying to break out this very strong and long-term resistance zone that starts from 1850 and goes to $0.0021. That was previously working as a support zone here, and now it is flipped into a resistance after the breakdown. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance zone has been also working as a support zone for this big descending triangle as well that we broke out. And you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price line could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.006 and again move down, and we broke down this support zone, and now it is flipped into a resistance. And by the way, previously here it was working as a resistance, and here it was also working as a very strong support, and it was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And if this time the price line will be once again rejected by the resistance of this down channel, then it can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $0.00117. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $0.006. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance. And in case of breaking out this resistance line, I'm expecting that this move to hit this resistance of the channel can be quite imminent because this is the key resistance line. And after breaking it out, there is a huge pump possible. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. For more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.